Are you guys ready to give it away? 500 bucks? Here we go. Nickel kitties. We are going to progressive bet. Can you believe that? No, Daddy. Tell us about it. Never heard of that before. Nickel kitties. Every winning spin with a bet amount up to $25 a spin, actually. So first bet is $3.75. Then we go to $8. Just bet the jump. She humps and jumps. Here's my star. Here's my train. Just joking. It was a star. I lied. $12.50 bet now. Come on. She ain't got shit. She ain't got shit on a stick. Climb it. Got it. Yes. A ring-a-ding. You know how he done does, don't you? Yeah, he does. All right, I want 5, 5, 5. I want all three. I've never gotten all 3 5s. I've never. Have a good Christmas, bro. Thank you. Come on. Damn it. Come on. Wows me. Yeah. Shit balls. 5 me. Shit. You guys. Bam. Is that $1 billion? I think it is. I don't know. Close enough. Haven't quite doubled yet, but we're damn close. I can smell it. I can see the water tower. 5 of 8. By the way, you little sacks of 5s. Oh God, we're so close. Coin me. She ain't coin shit. She ain't coin shit on my titty. Is that a double? That'd be a double. Yes, SDGuy, you got skills. All right. Major. Me. No. Bastards. I play dumb or nothing. Mer. $3 here, max bet on Planet Lizardy. Lizardy faux shizzity. Come on, pizzity. Oh, for fuck's sake. Get it? Ain't got shit. What happened to the shit? Cause I put my hand there, you guys. Huh? Skills. Here comes my jam. Jammy jam. Ma'am. Don't ruin my jam. Oh, for fuck you fucking bitch. You ruined my jam. Oh my God. Too much nothing, you whore. 25, kiss my fucking ass. Oh, thanks for, oh, angry kitty's here. I will scratch your eyes out. Come on, wild for days. Oh, you're an asshole. That was terrible. Oh, that was bad. Oh, that was really fucktastic. Danger zone, danger for days. Danger for the gays. Last spin. Bitch. Alright, just sexy shit. Progressive betting. 3.75 minimum bet and a first spin. Just joking. $8 bet. Yeah, where are you in the bonus, you jerk? $12.50 bet. And oh, come on, that red train. That's the grand. That's the grand. Come on, get it. Oh. You son of a bitch. You guys ain't sad. Oh, God damn it. That was trainers and you guys. $8 bet. Coin me. She lined me. $12.50. You can still do it, Miss Kitty. $18.50. Come on, or $18.75 or some bullshit. Yeah, $18.75. Damn it. Back down we go. We're in danger zone. Danger for days. Nope. Bam. $27.50. This is a little reprieve, kitty. You bastards. $8 bet. Duh again? No. She didn't. Duh again. Nope. You jerk. $8 bet. Come on. We're still in the danger zone. That train. Son of a bitch. You guys, what happened to the train? My fisting train. I like to be fisted on the train. Oh, for fuck's sake. You guys, last spin? Maybe not. Maybe it's not. $8 bet. Last spin? Shit biscuits. Damn it. I have it. Oh, you guys want a good look? Boogerson. $100 in, live play, double nothing, $3 max bet. Here we go. Get this volcano shit biscuit. 10x multiplier, full screen wilds. Oh, I would pet you so fucking good, volcano. Get it? I didn't get it. I did not get it. Why didn't I get it? Nobody knows. Felicia Fox. Oh my god! Well, that was loud. That's almost a double tell. Where the fuck are you? The multiplier eye pokes your eyes, you little motherfucker. Alright, $10 away. Come on, come on. Come on, you bastards. Yeah, I said, sir. You get your ass on here. Oh, ring-a-ding, and he listens. Shoot your load, dude. How about you multiplier it, too? Oh, I would like that a lot. But you ain't doing it. Is that a double? Doubled. Hot as fuck. Last play double nothing. Nickel denomination. 375 minimum bet. Every winning spin with the bet amount. Then it goes to 8. After that, you know what? It's $12.50. You know what's after that? No, Daddy, tell us because you can't show us. Bloop. Damn it. I'm determined to do something of substance on this game. Not that shit up there, but if the multiplier's up there and anyways pays, you should be able to do something hot and horny in this game. 750 max bet, by the way. White man, no. I actually forgot what the fuck the bonus is like on this. Oh, Tippy's here. That was loud. Tipster. Tip that shit. Tippy kitty. Oh my god, I can't wait for a mini. I love minis. They're so good at getting them. Told you. SDGuy, you're so right. You got ESPN, dude. I do, you guys. I do. I do. It done does. I done do, damn it. Alright, knock that shit off. Time for bonus. Just joking. Tell you what, you give me 2 bonus symbols on 1 and 2 and you don't finish it out, I'm gonna punch the fucking screen. That was loud. That was loud. That was a little inappropriate, I think, you guys. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Fuck you, you fucking fuck. Purple my panties. A ring-a-ding. $24 How about red? Ready, red or kitty? That is $216. That is a double. Still have more winning to do here, you bastards. Alright, just ask the bastards. $3.75 bet. Nickel kittens. Progressive betting. Hot and horny. Super fancy with your boy. That's right, SDGuy. God, he's fucking awesome, isn't he? We love him. We're gonna join his Patreon right after this. After he wins a bunch of money. What if I don't win money though? We're still gonna join. $12.50 bet. Come on, come on, come on. Because I put my hand there, you guys. You cannot argue with them results. $18.75 and a nothing. Fuck. 10 would be great, so you're not getting this monetization, bitch. I fight those. Ring-a-ding! I bet you. Those are shitty, though. That is Shit-tastic Tuesday. Who invited her to the party? Oh, my God. Just give me 3, fuckface. You got a bad attitude, case. $12.50 per car, bastard. Oh, a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a done. And a bad attitude. I just got screwed. Oh, thanks for the extra car. $50. $50, you fucking fucks. Spank you, I spank you much. $8 bet is next with another back-to-back smoking crack bonus. Bam, told you, just joking. This bitch. Eaglerson, $8 bet. Shitballs, back down. Last spin. Do it. She didn't do shit. I haven't seen this horn half in like 10 years. Houdini my dick off, let's go. There they are. Ask and you shall receive, mofo. Did you call me motherfucker? Fuck you. I didn't call you names, asshole. I just called you an asshole, I guess. So there's a lot. All right, that's not enough winning. You wanna try winning? Yeah, I don't count 80 cents. No. Oh, fuck off. Too much ringing and dinging here. Clearly. Fuck off. That was the worst bonus game in the history of mankind. Holy fuck, was that bad. Do it again! $80, you fucking fucks. Just like that, we're ahead. Skills. Ringing and a dinging, and that's just too much hot and horniness. I can't stand and handle it. Get it? Ain't got it. Alright, just thanks for shit. Nickel Kitten Kindersons. $3.75 Betty bastard. I'm sorry, progressive betting. $3.75 minimum, and then we go to 8 when we win, and then we go back. $8 bet. Go to hell. Coin ain't no. Ring a ding! Ring a ding, ding, ding. Look up, we're looking. We're hooking. Sucking and fucking. $12.50, Mrs. Kitty. Can you do 5 cards this time, you think? No, she'll just do 3, because she's a bitch. Oh. Generous. Generous ass. Yippee to the skippy kitty. $50, you fucking fucks. It's a lot of bucks. $8 bet. A ring and a ding. $8 bet. God damn her. Coin. Damn motherfuck. You guys, last spin. What happened to the winning, bitch? Nobody knows. God damn it, can't go up. Just 4.5 in a hot 20 minute. Pokes his ass. Oh. I actually have a, on my channel, 450 is max bet, by the way. I played on nothing. You know, young man. My mother's very proud of me. Bam. Got it, because I pointed and I said bam. Oh, you dance, you pepper my Peter. Peter eater, more fire. Blech. Oh my God. Burn it down, fucker. Oh my God, that's loud. Come on, ma'am, burn it down. There's bonus symbols over there. Burn it down. Burn it down. You son of fuck you. Fuck you so much. There's 2 up there. I'm getting pissed off. Burn it. Fucking asshole. All right, there's 1 up there, and we need 1 more bonus symbol. Bone it. Just joking, jackass. Burn it down, fucker. No fire. Don't know what fire is. I can't find any jerk. No burn. Nope. That was terrible. Fuck you, you chilly prick. I need to get a grip, you guys. Around. Do you guys know how pissed off I'm getting? Burn it down! Wilds! You Esmeralda bitch. Oh, I'm pissed off. Burn it! That mean my guitar's in there. No. Turkey my taint. Burn it! Fuck you, dude. You're a dick. You're a fucking ass fucking fucker. Last spin, lick my ball. Alright, shit and shittersons. 3.75 minimum bet. Nickel denomination. You know under the drizzle by now. A ring-a-ding. Ooh, run that train on me. Trainer, son. Come on now. Too much winning. Now. What is this? 375 per fucking car? Yeah, be that time you give me all 100 fucking cars. So apropos, you cocksucker. Angry kid. Oh, too much winning. 18 cents. Fuck off. Too much a ringing and or a dinging. $8 bet is next with a back-to-back smoking crack bonus. Just a joke. Hello, niners and tenors and hot and horniness. Purple, my pet. Oh my God! Close your eyes. Yes! Oh, you guys, that was loud. That was really loud. Does that mean I have a chance at the grand? Does that mean I have a chance at it? Oh my God! I'm freaking out. I'm freaking the fuck out, you guys. I'm freaking the fuck out. Minnie, my dick out. You get your mini ass down here. Minnie. Minnerson. Kitty. If you're gonna save a car with letters on it or whatever bullshit, you save it for the red one. Redderson. Ooh, toss my set. Ooh, tossed. Ooh, so much tossing. It's because I put my hand there, you guys. I've never gotten one of the things, so I don't really know how it presents itself, I guess. I assume it's gonna be like writing on there that says mini, so we didn't get it, I assume. I done assume, yes? That's what I assume. So I assume it would look like that. So now the grand is available. Come out and say, hey, squirrel, hey. I will say, hi, squirrel, hi, so good. Oh, I will pet you. I will pet you. I will pet you so good. Please pet me. I'm worthy of petting. Heavy petting. Oh, this is nice. These are nickel bastards. This grand car. Oh my God, I want it so bad. Oh, I want it so bad. Oh no. That was gorgeous though. Holy shit balls. And all that? That's huge. Holy shit. Sex Press win. Fuck yeah. Oh, that was loud. Oh, I wanted the grand. Greedy Greederson. Yep, exactly. Alright, you sexy bastards. Dollar denomination. Or fire link. $10 bet, bastard. First one bonus? Just joking. That was a joke. It was hilarious, actually. God damn it, come on. You guys. Bam! Those are all 1X. Fuck them balls. Them Bally baller kitties. Alright. Take a seat, you guys. Settle the hell down. Here we go. Nom. Get him. The major's up there. Oh my God. No. Oh, I got you guys. I got my fucking skills. Do you guys want to see me? Get my major. Get my major on. Come on, Major Kitty. Oh God. Oh my God. You guys. Oh no. Get one. You gotta land it. We're done. Oh my God. Oh. Because I put my hand there. All we have to do is land one more here. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking the fuck out. You guys, too much freaky. Oh my God. You got. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh. Yes. Oh my God. Okay. All right. We need 2 more and then 2 more. So we got this. All right, well, I got this. You guys take a seat. Let Daddy show you. Oh no. If I don't do it, I'm gonna. Oh, come on. Oh shit. Get it. Got it. Ain't got it. Oh God damn it. Oh no. That was so mean. Oh. You guys, I'm sad. Oh, double. Oh no. Oh. All right, take your greed elsewhere. It was a triple. It wasn't a nothing. That's all you can. No, that's not all I can ask for. I can ask for a fucking major. You guys. Oh, God damn it. Shit, I played double nothing. 375 minimum bet. First bet. Boop. Just joking. A ring-a-ding. $8 bet. Come on. $8 bet. Come on. Bam. Bam. Now this had better be a double. For 30 bucks, you can do that, you fucking fuck. Oh, look at the steam. Cleveland steamer. Here she comes. Dump your load, bitch. All right, so if she dumps 4, we've got a double. Double, kitty, kid, son. This is gonna be the first time that you've done 3. Yeah, yeah. Fuck you. Fuck you. And fuck you most of all. Double. All right. That was just barely, you guys. Ring, ding, ding. Steamy, steamy. Cleveland steamer. Luxury. Is there a luxury Cleveland steamer? If not, I'm gonna invent one. And it's gonna be disgusting. I play double nothing. 80 max bet. Nummy num num. Oh my god, first spin. I put my hand there. Close your eyes. Close them. Are they closed? Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Yes! It's because I closed my eyes, you guys. I put my hand there. Are you guys want to meet a friend of mine? His name is Pony. Oh yes, get it, Pony. Pony's got it. Get that pony, kitty. Not enough pony. Pony? Get off your fat ass, huh? Oh, naughty. Oh, that was terrible. Got excited for nothing. For niente. Red bastard, not enough winning. Pony! I need you. I pet you, Pony. Pet your ponies. What the hell, Pony? Time to raise it and re-trigger, you sack of shit. Oh, you will double. This is not a not pony double. Oh god, this is not a not pony double. Oh no. Oh no. A ring and a ding. Close your eyes again, you guys. Close them. Yeah. But she raised and she stated and she's gonna do it again. She didn't do it again, the bitch. You guys, one more chance for. Oh god, not even a double yet. King, oh, you can. All right, this pony's going in the fucking trash. Fuck this piece of goddamn fuck. I'm mad. Oh, you guys. You cock. Because of course, right, dragons? You asshole. You guys, I'm pissed off. I have a bad attitude. Stop not doubling, Pony. We came for the pony ride, SD. I know, you guys. I'm trying. Fuck. Quit pressuring me. I'm only one man. I'm essential. Goddamn fucking pony, you fucking fucker. Went up to 128 free spinners. Who, if they're all like that? I can't imagine. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is too much. This is not enough. Oh my god, I'm bipolar. Come on, damn it. Pony! Where is the little shit? Come on, damn it. Last spin. God damn it. Alright, well, it was looking bleak there for a while. She was just kicking us in the balls repeatedly and repeatedly and repeatedly. Fuck. These guys. Niners, $8 bet. Hold Jalab, go fuck yourself. That was it. God damn it. Alright, you bastards. Live played over nothing. $10 bets. Dollar denomination. Ultimate Fight Hair Link. You know all we done does. Yeah, you done do. Do it. She done did it. Nom nom nom. Done damn it, ready? Done damn it. Come on now. Yeah. Got him. Did I get him? I ring it, anything. Come on. 1, 2, and 3. Uh-oh. What happened to my ballage? Need more ballage. There it is. I got skills. Come on. 125's up in the middle. That ain't shit. Come on now. No. Oh, you're naughty. Uh-oh. Last spin. Holy shit, this is not a double. You gotta land the minis up there. Come on. Yeah. Oh, naughty. Oh, is that a double? 50. That is $5 away from double, I think. Oh, that's gonna piss me off. Oh, that is gonna piss me off. Yep. My math is good. No arguing with my math. Oh, I will argue. Oh my God, I'm pissed. Oh, just joking. Double. My math sucks. Just Hector Bastards line play double nothing. $3.75 minimum bet on Nickel Kitties. Progressive betting bastards. $8 is next, and a whole jalapa. Nothing. This guys is last spin. Live play double nothing. $10 max bet. Here we go. Come on. Mer. 00, my dear God. Get it! I point. You land. You don't land. Damn it. Oh, red screen the shit out of me. Double zeros. I bet you for $00. Bam. Oh, that was a shitty round. Oh. Do better. Bam. No. If that would have red screen, that would have been a guaranteed double. True story, you guys. Oh, double. Red screen me. I'm having fun. Oh, hello. Hello. 5-1-0. Bam. Well, you got half my order right, I suppose. I suppose. Hello. Oh, ring-a-da-ding. How about a double? Oh, $00 for 2,500. Oh. Can it red screen more than once? Anybody know? Nobody knows? I don't know. A ring-a-da-ding. A ding-a-da-ding. Red screen me now is a guaranteed double. Oh, you guys. Bloop. A ring-a-ding-a-ding. A ding-a-ding-a-ding. Oh my God! If I put my... Close your eyes. Oh. That would have been at least $500 if it red screened me. Ooh, God, that would have been sexy. Sexy Sexerson. Ma'am. Oh, ma'am, what happened to the... Ma'am? Oh, for fuck's sake. Why even waste your time, huh? Bunch of shit. My attitude went south real quick, you guys. You guys, last spin. Shit. Alright, line play double nothing. Nickel Kitties. $3.75 minimum bet. Up to 20. She didn't come. There's no come. I'm missing my cum. God damn it. Sex bastards, welcome to another Hot and Horny episode with your boy SD. Your favorite YouTuber ever. Playing probably half you's favorite slot machine ever, because you guys love this shit. Yeah, it's not terrible, don't get me wrong. But it's no Elvira. This is horse crap. Why do you first... Got a goddamn goddammer. Oh, SDGuy, you get it, daddy. I will, muscle man, thank you. Come on now. Mini my dick off. I got it. I ain't got it. Did I get it? I got it. I'm still gonna get more of it. Told ya. Got it. I didn't get it. God. Oh, no. This is too early in the game to be pulling that shit. You land. And you... Oh, bitch. All right, thank you. Appreciate you so much. Ooh, this is naughty. Got it. Shit. $100 is up there. That's terrible. Oh, this is not good. It's not good. Shit. Get up there. Oh, naughty, not. Oh my God, you guys. Last spin. Come on now. Landy. Oh no. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, all right. Only one more to get the next row. Yeah, I got it because I got skills. All right, just one more to get the next one. You got this, daddy. right, thanks, man. I appreciate the confidence. Boy, that was almost shit-tastic Tuesday. All right, keep. Last spin. Come on. Oh, no. Ring-a-ding. Is that a double at least? I think it is. Pretty sure it is. It's gotta be because reasons, idle things, ring-a-ding-dings. Too many balls. That's a lot of balls. Double! Hot as fuck. Boy, that wasn't, that was a close call, kiddies. Spank you. Alright, guys, ADHD is kicking in.
Alright, you guys, it's time for another $500 grand finale.
So, you know what that means? Time to grand finale our fucking faces off. Alright, we're gonna ladder bet here. So that means we're gonna do 75 credits on nickel denomination per spin until we get our first bonus, whether it be the coins or the credits with the trainerson. After that first bonus there, which these bonuses are pretty volatile actually. So I mean, it could. That does not count. That does not count. It does not count. It's just hot and horny icing on the cake. We gotta get the train with that, not that shit. Coin me. 3 coin kitties, 4 coin kitties, or 5 coin kitties, or trainerson with at least 1 block credit bastards. Coin, no. Beefaloes. If we get the coin bonus, we are picking the buffaloes. That is a requirement because we can do the other shit. Just a ring-a-ding, a ring-a-ding. We were just talking about your coin bricks. How about you 5x the crap out of me? All right, here comes Daddy. Oh, such polite buffalo kitties. Oh, just joking. They're not. They're assholes. They're fucking assholes, is what they are. Naughty buffaloes. Uh-oh. 4 of 8 and we haven't won a fucking thing. Oh my god. Piss me off. Ma'am, coin. Oh my god. Ma'am, you forgot my trigger. Yes! I knocked and I said, you forgot my trigger, and she's like, okay, Daddy, here it comes. She calls me Daddy, you guys. And there it is. Hot as fuck. Again! Wilds. Oh, ma'am, you forgot my wilds. All 3. Oh, that would have been funny. Coiny. No, have we won any fucking thing? Oh my god. 11 of 13. Too much winning here, beefaloes, you jerks. Last spin. Coin! I gotta talk to your fucking man. Oh, I'm gonna carry the crap out of you. Fuck you. I'm pissed off. $8 bet. Yeah. Ring-a-ding! That was loud. That was really loud. Now that is a good amount. This could be double town. I hope you got your bags back in your muzzle. You're gonna need it. Bam, 50. It's too much money. 77.50, Miss Kitty. Come on. We need maybe 7. 7. 1, 2, 3 more. Come on. Oh, you're a fucking asshole. Naughty. All right, you shitty biscuits. Can we hat trick that shit? We just back-to-back smoking crack. Here we go. Da-da! Oh, I saw the coin, I got excited. Right down in my heaven. Come on now. Beefies. Leafies. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and your thumbs my ass up. Comment down below as well on how much I stuck to the rules. And it was fun. It was fun. You guys, it was fun. Tell me it was fun. You guys stop it. It's not over yet. Not over yet until I say it's over. It's over. No, I said it was over. I already said I called it. It's over. Oh my god, there it is again. Close your eyes. Oh, I really thought we could get it. Shit balls, you guys. Do it, whore. Nope. Last spin. There it is. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you here tomorrow for another fantastic slot video. Fuck them buffaloes.